In this video, I'm going to show you how to access the BIOS on the Lenovo Legion 5 2021 laptop. This should work for newer models as well, but in this example, I am using the Lenovo Legion 5 2021. That includes the Ryzen 7 5800H processor and the RTX 3060 GPU. I'll also show you how to disable the battery in the BIOS so that you can make repairs without needing to physically disconnect the battery. First, open up the laptop. Log in, make sure everything is functioning correctly. Now go down to the Start menu and click on Restart. Now, repeatedly hit the F2 button. Congrats, you are now successfully in the BIOS. Depending on your model, you will have several options that you can choose from. You can overclock your GPU, so on and so forth. Again, it depends on the model what options you have. If you want to disable the built-in battery so you can make repairs or changes to your device, you can go down to More Settings. Now under More Settings, go to Configuration and scroll down until you find Building in Battery. Right here, Disable Building in Battery. Now, before you disable the built-in battery, make sure you unplug the device. After the device is unplugged and not charging anymore, click where it says Enter and say Yes if you want to disable the battery. Now, no matter what you do, the computer will not come back on. The way to turn the computer back on is to simply plug it back in. Grab your charger and simply plug it back in. Just tap the power button and your laptop comes right back. Thanks for watching, and as always, if you have any questions or need any help, feel free to ask in the comments.